What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am taking care of my responsibilities and getting my priorities straight for the Civic so I can show it off in the car show when I do bring it to Import Alliance. So today I have an appointment at 4 o'clock to get my windows re-tinted. I've been wanting to do this for a long time because once I got my car back from the paint shop and they messed both of my passenger and my driver's side tint up, I said, okay, I have to do something about it, and today is today. So I just got back from the tag office, had to get Prestige license plate. If you don't know what a Prestige license plate is, basically it's a license plate that you can design yourself, put anything you own it that's appropriate. Okay, so always remember that I was this close of putting something very, very nice on it. I'm trying to get it the darkest possible where it's not illegal. In the state of Georgia, we're not strict on laws like some places, like, you know, California. I'm trying to play it safe because all I want to do for the Civic is make it look nice without getting pulled over. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to head over to Eddie's Window Tint. It's in my local area. So welcome to today's vlog. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and I get right back with you guys once we get there. All right, we're here. Now I just got to go around and get my car in there. I should have came in the other way, but I did not do that, but you know me. So give me a second, let me drive over there.
Few inches later.
Currently I'm at the window tint place right now. Just seeing a little sneak peek of the car. That looks very good. Cannot wait to show you guys. I was trying to get a little filming in it, but it won't let me because they're in there working right now. But I promise you guys, I give you guys a full walk around how the tint's looking. I got it 20% on driver and the passenger. I got 15 in the back, so it's gonna look very nice once it's all done. I'm so happy getting this done so I can get ready to do more things out there for you guys. But I'll meet you guys up in a minute so I can show you guys the final results of the car. All right guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna show you guys the look of the new tint on the Civic. Okay, so the new look, it's darker, especially this right here. Like you can't see this at all. This gonna be so nice, like, because I like my privacy. Everybody has privacy they like. So yeah, that's the new tint. I think it was a very great investment for me to do for the car because I needed it. Now just another step away doing something else to the Civic. But yeah, the tint is basically was the most simplest thing that I need to get done to the car. Now a little bit challenging because that was just start of phase 2 was getting the tint done, and I'm happy to get that done. So I'm sorry guys, I didn't give you really much of a show of how it was getting tinted, even though they did invite me inside the place, you know what I'm saying, they talked to me because it was kind of skeptical of where I got my paint job at because they like the color on it and like that. So I did see how they was doing it and everything like that. It was very, very nice to go in and just talk to them, just to communicate with them. But yeah, the tint is done on the Civic. Oh, and also I forgot to tell you, they did me a little stripe right here. This right here on the Civic. Also, this is basically like a little banner. But yeah, that's it, man. So if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and also follow me on Instagram at MuttLegit because I'm always giving updates on the Civic right here. I do apologize because it really wasn't no detail and depth how they did it and everything like that, but I do apologize. But thank you guys for watching this video, and you know the saying, legit is out.